Hi, today we are going to look at two sentences, and the sentences are I already ate and I have already eaten. Do you think इन दोनों sentences में कोई difference है? Of course, there is a difference. The first sentence is in simple past, whereas the second sentence is in present perfect tense. I think this you already knew. But now can you tell me if there is a difference in the meaning? You can think about it, but I'm very sure कि आपने इन दोनों sentences को interchangeably बहुत बार यूज़ किया होगा. आपको बहुत बार इन दोनों sentences का meaning same लगा होगा, but this is not true. So in this video, let us try and understand what is the difference and where do we use the first sentence and where do we use the second sentence, so that from now you don't make the mistake of using these sentences. So let us look at the first sentence. The first sentence, as we said, is in simple past tense. Where do we use simple past? We use simple past for actions which are completed in past. So you already ate, meaning अब past में किसी time पे खाना खा चुके हैं. I already ate. Let us look at the second sentence, which is in present perfect tense. Present perfect के बहुत सारे uses होते हैं, but right now we are going to look at just one use, and that is any action which was done in past but has some consequences of it in present. Yeah, any action which was done in past but its consequences are there in the present moment. So for example, in sentences like I have already eaten, there is an imaginary sentence which continues it further. It could be I have already eaten, so I'm not hungry, or I have already eaten, so I'll sleep now, or whatever the follow-up may be according to the context of the conversation. And you can also specifically use it when, for example, somebody is asking you, oh, do you want to have a piece of cake, or let's go out and eat in some restaurant. You could say, no, I have already eaten, not I already ate. That would be wrong to say. Let us take another sentence and understand it with that. For example, you are in a school and you and your friend had to talk to your teacher about some event or something, okay? And some days have passed and your friend comes and asks you, should I go and talk to the teacher? You can say, no, I have already talked to the teacher, so you don't have to. I hope this helps you understand this difference better, and now you will not make the mistake of using these two sentences in different tenses. And yes, you can make your own sentence with some example and put it down in the comment section below. I would love to read that. And until we meet next time, take it easy.